Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Paul from TechLink, and in this video I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone with a mask covering your face. But before we get into that, I would kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Now, face masks have been made compulsory in some countries, and since 15th of June it is required by law to wear it on the public transport in the UK. Apple has done something towards this, making it easier to unlock your phone with the passcode, but actually there is another way to unlock your phone with a mask on. So let me show you how to set up this feature. Open the settings and find the Face ID and passcode. After you insert your passcode, if your Face ID is active, you will see this option here to set up an alternative appearance, and that's what we are going to use. If you're using one of these masks, just fold it into half and cover your face like this. You can also do this with a sheet of paper covering your face, and now you go through the same process like when you set up your Face ID. Once you are done, you should be able to unlock your iPhone with a mask on. So let me show you that it actually works. So my phone is now locked, and I'll just swipe up and it's now unlocked. The thing that I noticed is that if you cover your face completely, this might not work, so you need to lower your mask a bit just to uncover the upper side of your nose, as this is part of your bone structure, so it helps Face ID recognize your face easily. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it's been useful. If you need any further help with this, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. And like always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.